Wasted time looping back to miss a Pokestop? Annoying! PoGoSkill's new tool scans Pokestops and Gyms, then builds the best route. Let's stop wandering, start collecting smarter. First, the new features you'll love. Scan 2,000 points, 1,000 Pokestops plus 1,000 gyms in 10 kilometers. AI makes the shortest route instantly. Works worldwide and pairs perfectly with Go++ for auto-spinning. Game changer, right? Step 1. Scan Pokestops and Gyms. Enable Pogo Map, click the third icon in the navigation bar. Watch nearby spots pop up on the map. Step 2. Get new hotspots. PoGoSkill auto-scans near your selected location. No landmarks? Try a different spot. Easy! Step 3. One-click route. Hit the third icon again, pick how many Pokestops and Gyms you want. It connects them into a perfect route. Start collecting. Step 4. Clear and explore. Click the fifth icon to erase marked spots. Now you can discover new areas fresh. Step 5. No data? Your location's too quiet. Pick a popular spot, data will load. PoGoSkill turns Pokestop gym hunts into a breeze. Like, subscribe, and tell us where you'll scan first. Happy collecting!